This is an optional video for question 4 if you need extra help. Question 4 says, according to this article, Facebook is trying to make its website more, quote, meaningful. With this in mind, do you think Facebook should also change how it advertises? So remember, advertisements are things that companies pay for to put on Facebook to promote their products. For example, Nike might pay Facebook to have a picture of a new like Air Jordan shoe that is on your Facebook feed. So first of all, meaningful. Let's go back here and look at this. Under the revised regime, there will be fewer posts from brands, pages, and media companies, and more from people. Fewer videos, which Facebook considers passive. People will likely spend less time on Facebook as a result. Okay? That's because even if people read such content on Facebook, they don't necessarily comment or interact with it in other ways. Facebook gave scant details about how it would define what's meaningful. So a question I have is like, how many of you guys actually interact with advertisements? Do you comment or interact with your advertisements? Thinking of that, since you don't do that, and that kind of is what Facebook is saying is meaningful, do you think Facebook has the obligation, or that's like the responsibility, to change their advertisements too? If they're saying, hey, we're going to make everything meaningful except advertisements where companies are paying them, is that right? Or should they really make everything, quote, meaningful, whatever you think that might mean? All right, good luck.